Let me show you how to install these clip-on braided extensions on a top knot. These braided extensions are Pixistics Fairy Falls. I created them back in 2021 as an accent piece to your box braids and knotless styles. These braided extensions are also perfect to clip in your wigs and to wear as a clip-in while your hair is down for a beautiful peekaboo braided accent. But today I'm going to show you how to style these clip-ins as a braided top knot. There are 3 anchor clips on these extensions, so all you do is wrap them around your top knot and clip them in at the base. The braided clip-ins are on a line of spandex that can move and stretch with all your manipulation, making it super easy to style and use again and again. Since we don't want just a regular bun, we're going to take out 2 of these puff butterfly braids and put them on the sides of our face while we wrap our top knot. To secure the rest of the braided extensions, continue to wrap them around your natural hair and pin them in place with a bobby pin. And there you have it, your hair styled in 2 minutes. Now you're ready to walk the festival grounds, showing off your gorgeous crown. Don't forget to follow me for more festival extension styling tips.